Preliminary round for this competition. I'm just trying to check that I did not miss anything. Take a deep breath, ladies. Now, we'd like to request Binibinis number 1 to 6 to please remain on stage, and Binibinis number 7 to 12, you may take a high heels break. All right. Ayaw niya. I'm giving you a chance to take a break and rest your beautiful calves. And now, candidates Binibinis numbers 1 to 6. Ladies, good luck and may the best Binibini slay. Ay, ang gaganda nila, ano? Sana, joke lang. Alright, let's get the words rolling, starting with Binibini number 1, Yuna Song. Yuna, Sus Marios, pinalo talaga ng maliliit. Alright, you may now pick your question, Yuna. And I'd like to read the honors of reading your question to you.
ChatGPT na yan.
Pinaghirapan ako ng SFCC. Sana gold man lang ito. Links gold. Baka naman. Here's your question.
Hindi, mamaya sa dulo. Pangalawa, parang pinag-break mo.
Question number 12.
Ani muna, tapos yung sunod. Parang hindi sila maghintay na matagal.
Sige.
Here's your question. Ready? Okay. Baka gusto mo naman batiin yung mga fans mo muna.
Hi to my current students. Thank you.
Alright. Uy!
Your friends.
Yuna? What role does faith play in your life? In Filipino, ano ang papel ng pananampalataya sa iyong buhay?
Faith played a major part in my life. I am actively participating in our church. I support our church leaders, and I also attend church activities and participated wherever, like the events like this is related to church, right? To our faith. So this way, I became like, I express my faith through this. Thank you.
Yuna! Congratulations! Binibini 1. Let's now have Binibini 2, Abigail Aquino of Pangasinan. Abigail, your turn. I'm sorry. Lisbeth Cabales of San Pablo. Lisbeth. Sorry, Abigail. Sorry, Lisbeth. Kuya. All right, please. Here is your question. Pati ka muna sa mga friends.
Hi, friends.
Lisbeth. Question number 20. How can Filipinas abroad help uplift the Philippines? In Filipino, paano makakatulong ang mga Pilipina sa abroad sa pagunlad ng Pilipinas? Yes.
Filipino overseas not only help uplift the Philippines by sending remittances to their family in the Philippines, but also we share our culture here abroad, and like this kind of event, and by sharing our stories and language, by sharing our stories and language, okay.
Yes, by sharing your stories and language, you're able to foster.
We will make uplift. We will help the Philippines
uplift. Thank you so much, Binibini number 2, Lisbeth Cabales and Pablo. And now Binibini number 3, Abigail Aquino of Pangasinan. Finally, please. Alright, finally. Gusto mong batiin ang mga taga-Pangasinan sa live? Maraming nagla-live, ho?
Ito po sa mga taga-Pangasinan. Hello, my friends!
Hello!
Here's your question, Abigail. Okay, take a deep breath. And exhale. What is your advocacy and why did you choose it? Ano ang advocacy mo? Tagalog na advocacy.
Advokasya daw.
Right.
Ang aking advokasya ay woman empowerment. Mahalaga sa ating mga babae na malaman ng ating lakas sa pamamagitan ng ating pwede kong maipagmalaki and sa woman empowerment. Kailangan natin malaman ng bawat lakas at minsan sa ating mga babae bilang ina at bilang biganting Pilipina. Yun lamang po.
Maraming salamat. Alright. Mr. DJ, drum roll mamaya pa po.
Nahabol.
Bell na lang. No, right. Okay, we now have Binibini for Chris Isabel Jong of Cavite. Hi, Isabel. Please take a question. Chris, do you prefer Chris or Isabel? And okay. So Chris, Isabel, say hi to your friends, Chris.
Hi, my friends. Thank you for supporting me here.
Alright. Now here's your question, Chris, Isabel. How do you promote your culture or heritage? In Filipino, paano mo isinusulong ang ating kultura o pamana?
I promote my culture as a Filipino citizen is to support our local artists, at the same time to share and preserve our cultural traditions like craft, foods, and clothing. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Alright, thank you.
Now we have Binibini 5, Rodabel, Aplao, Davao de Oro. Please step up to the mic, but first, big question. There you go. May I have your question? Kami daw Bisaya daw po. Diyan mo naman sila.
Ay, sa mga Bisaya di ha.
Yung paano ba sabihin ng ang magandang hapon? Maayong adlaw. What is? Here's your question. Are you ready? Okay. What is your message to women who are not sure about joining pageants in Filipino? Anong mensahe mo sa mga babae?
Eri, makinig ka.
Sa lahat ng babaeng
gusto ko yung bubugbugin ka.
sumali sa mga
Ako bubugbog.
be proud of who you are. And do not doubt yourself. Go out to your comfort zone and embrace mo kung ano ang ating kultura at ang ano ang iyong kagandahan. Ipakita mo hindi ka lang maganda. Puso, isip at may layunin. Just be you are.
Thank you. Wow!
Thank you very much. That is Binibini 5, Rodabel, Aplao, Davao de Oro. And finally, for this batch, Binibini 6, Roseanne Wee, Nueva Ecija. Hi, Roseanne. All right, Roseanne, you're pretty. Please speak a question and say hi. Ako na. Sana yung kuko mo nakapinta pa naman. Okay, say hi to your friends, please.
Hi, Sabi family and friends.
Here's your question, Roseanne. Ready? Here we go. I'm sure marami ka nito, but please tell us one of them. What is your proudest moment as a Filipina overseas? What is your proudest moment? Ano ang pinagmamalaki mong karanasan bilang Filipina sa ibang bansa?
May pagmamalaki po.
Yung question na yan, gagawin ko yung mga ate. Proudest moment.
Yaman ang ating kultura at ang ating pagbabayanihan.
Na ano siya, yung sandal niya.
Kasi naniniwala ako na saan man tayo mundo naroon, hindi nawawala sa atin ang pagmamalaki sa atin. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat! Siyempre, bayanihan. Yan yung aking power bilang Pilipino. Ladies and gentlemen, Binibinis 1 to 6. Palakpakan po natin sila! Congratulations, ladies! It's your turn to take a high heels break. And now, my dear friends, Binibinis number 7 through 12. Let's welcome them back. We now invite the second batch of Binibinis to please take center stage for your preliminary interview. All right, Binibinis 7 to 12. Yan. Salubungin natin sila ng masigapong palakpakan mga kaibigan. Right, smile. There you have them. Marami pa. Okay.
Ay, naayos na na.
Namimiss ko na si Goldfish. Huwag kang mag-alala, babalik ka na. Alright. Here you go. Wow. Let's begin with Binibini 7, Chayon Park of Antique. Chayon, please step up to the mic. And I'd like you to please pick a question. There you go. Thank you, Chayon. Marami ka bang friends na na-invite today? Batiin mo sila.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga Henam Handmade community na pumunta ngayon galing pa sa Henam. Thank you so much mga ate sa Amerika, kay Ate Rachel, sa mga supporter ko, kay Kuya. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Chayon. Here's your question. Are you ready? Here is question number 18. How do you balance family and personal dreams? Paano mo binabalanse ang pamilya at sariling pangarap?
Para po sa akin, binabalanse ko ang aking sariling pangarap at ang aking pamilya ay sa pamamagitan ng pagbubuo ng plano at pamamagitan ng pag-iisip nito. Bukod dito, kailangan din natin yung suporta at komunikasyon ng ating buong pamilya at mga kaibigan.
Totoo, I agree. Yes. Pag may plano, may patutunguhan. Kasi alam lang nila pag may alak, pero sinasabi mo pag may plano, may patutunguhan. Thank you very much. Palatakan po natin siya. Now we have Binibini number 8, Nicole Benemerito. Nicole! Tangkad naman ng batang ko. Direct, I need a riser. Ayan. Okay, ako na. Okay, pati mo muna yung mga friends mo.
Hello po sa inyong lahat.
Ito na yung question mo. How has this pageant helped you grow? How? Okay. Paano ka pinalago ng pagsali mo sa binibining kalinangan?
Start na po.
Napalago ako ng pageant na ito dahil sa totoo lang po, hindi ko talaga ako nagsasalita sa maraming tao. At sobrang proud po ako na nagago ako magsalita sa inyong lahat.
Hey!
Gusto ko rin po magkaroon ng experience sa pageant na to dahil before po nagpa-pageant din ako. At sobrang tagal lang po. Ayun lang po, salamat.
Maraming salamat, Nicole! Kikita mo mahihayin siya, but she's going out of her comfort zone din. Maraming salamat. Now, Binibini 9, Marianne Macaldo, Davao City! Hi, Marianne! Stop back. Alright, please step up to the mic.
Hi!
Alright. Naku, yung mga ganyang tingin, no? Ha? Thank you so much. Takot naman yung mga nails.
Mga tingin ni J.R. Mga tingin ni J.R. Mga tingin mo.
Ay, sa mga talang mga Bisaya, nila ng Pilipinas! Ay, untog ka rin yung tanan.
Hapon na po. Hapon na.
Ultimo is hapon or?
Gabi na po.
Okay. What advice? Here's your question. You ready? Here you go. What advice would you give to a fellow Filipina moving abroad? In Filipino, anong may papayo, anong payong may bibigay mo sa isang kapwa Pilipina na lilipat na sa ibang bansa?
Ang may papayo ko po sa isang bilang isang Pilipina na pupunta ng ibang bansa ay gusto ko na ipahagin sa kanya na yung kultura natin at ang ugali at pagiging matulungin sa bawat Pilipino at maunawain at higit sa lahat pagdadasan. Ilamang po.
Maraming salamat. Binibini na ay Mary Ann Macau, Davao City.
Very well.
Let's welcome Binibini 10, Jennifer Rapinian, Nueva Vizcaya. Alright, batuin mo naman sila yung Ilocano.
Hi mga beshies!
Beshies.
Kita ko na! Ang kare-kare, mamaya!
Kare-kare.
Parang tunog Tagalog din Ilocano mo. Here is your question. Are you ready? May I fix your mic? Okay. Alright, here we go. Here's your question. What Filipino value do you live by? Anong Filipino value ang sinusunod mo sa buhay?
Tayo mga Pilipino ay kilalang-kilala sa pagiging positibo. Na kahit na tayo ay nasa isang sitwasyon na parang wala ng pag-asa, lagi natin iniisip may plano ang Diyos. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Jennifer Rapinian, Nueva Vizcaya. And now, Binibini 11, Asteria Caponegro, You look really awesome. Ito, please pick a question. Okay, Asteria at